Back again to my channel, the Ruang Tabroni channel. This time we will draw a beautiful car. This is an example of the car we want to draw. Let's draw from the front of the car to the end. Draw slowly. If it's too fast, friends can stop this video, then continue again. Now, let's give it some color. Once you're done, let's draw with a faster version. Happy drawing and trying. Thank you. Nice to meet again.